In this training video, we will learn how to submit a flight report. After submitting a flight request, if the request is approved, the user is prompted to submit a flight report. On the flight information for an approved request, the user will see a Create Report icon at the bottom of the summary. After selecting the Create Report icon, a similar page to the flight request form will appear. All information from the flight request will be automatically entered into the created report. Information regarding the date, time, and location may be edited to reflect any changes. The new sections for the user to complete are the duration per flight. Here, you can input the flight duration in minutes per flight. Click on the plus sign to add additional flights to the report. Takeoff and landing damages. Here, you can report any damages that happen during takeoff or landing. Equipment malfunctions. Here you can list various issues that may cause the drone to malfunction. This refers to the events that cause loss of connection between the UAS and various other controls and systems. Accidents and mishaps. This will allow the user to enter any information regarding any incidents that may have occurred in the field. When completed with the report, the user may select Save. When the user feels they have accurately completed the report, they should select Submit Report. Their summary page will update from Request Approved to Report Submitted. The flight report has now been successfully submitted.